Hello guys, it's me, Soccer Gamer, and today I'm going to bring you an unboxing video of the Puma Evo Speed 5.4G FG. So let me just let me let the camera focus. So yeah, Evo Speed 5.4 FG, and it's Total Eclipse Lava Blast WHT, and in the US my size is 11. Yeah. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. I bought it yesterday in Academy for like $38. Yeah. Wow, seems pretty nice. Alright, so okay, the bottom texture of the cleat seems nice. The Puma logo right there, and seems nice. The leather, the material. Sorry if you can't understand me, is that my jaw really hurts. So yeah. So the material is really flexible and really soft. And yeah, it's pretty nice, but the thing is, I got nothing to say actually. It's really nice, so yeah. So let's put this down to see how it looks like. Really nice. It looks really nice, you know. Beautiful texture, you know. The design of the cleats. And for the first thing that I noticed about this is the tongue, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, my thoughts on how it feels in my hand. It feels normal, but kind of feels less heavy. But I think it feels a little bit heavy because of this thing. So let's just take it out. Okay. And if you're asking where did I buy this, again, I said I think I said it in Academy, and oh, it's really lightweight. So there's the Puma Evo Speed. Puma Evo Speed. Focus on that. There we go. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day and keep playing soccer, because soccer is life. Life is soccer. See ya.